video.
Yeah.
Our little, our little garbage cups.
It's more than one way to skin a cat.
This is not usually how we feed Mia. Disclaimer.
If you're not going to take it from the spoon.
Oh, jeez.
Some bad habits being taught here.
I know.
Oh, it's running out of battery.
I think we're good enough.